are we? In this tutorial, we will see list in Python. Lists are the most versatile data types in Python. It is in other languages you have studied arrays. It is just kind of array, but it's a modified version. In other languages you have learned linked list. It is similar to that thing. Lists are created by x equal to in square brackets. Square brackets, the items are given, which is separated by comma. For example, 1, 2, 3. In Python, there is no restriction that you have to use only a single data type. For example, you can use x equal to 1. Then another, you can use a whole string. You can give whole string. Okay. 2.4. Okay. So there is no restriction of data type. Now, how to access this element? How to access the elements? So you can use x of 0 position, x of 1 position, x of 2 position. It's like other languages, the starting index is 0, not 1. This means that this is 0 position, this is 1 position, and this is second position. Okay. Another thing is that how to update values, how to append. So you can use that x of 0 position, x of 0 position equal to 99. Okay. When we see this x now, then here you can see this becomes 99 and this becomes, before it is 1 and this becomes now 99. Now, how to delete elements in a list? Delete x of 1. Ankit is deleted because it is at index 1. Delete x of 1. You can also use whole delete the x, delete x. There is nothing named x is not defined because we just deleted x. So x is not defined. Also we can use that let x equal to 1, 2, 3. We can print list like slicing. This is called slicing of a list. For example, print x. It starts from 0 colon to index 3, 4 minus 1, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. Here the print 0, it is a 0 element, first element, second element, third element. It is more preferable if I write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then it is a more clear 0, 1, 2, 3. You can also do this like it starts from 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Also, if you do not give let x equal to colon 4, then it takes a by default value that is 0. It means it will start printing from 0 to 4, as we can see here. Also we can see that x equal to 2 and not giving that value. So it will print whole list, that is this 2 to 9 until the end of list. Also you can use this. Okay, not also. In Python, there is a new concept that is this is 0 position. Okay, let me create one more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is enough. This is 0 position. This is first position. This is second position. That we all earlier understand. Now in Python, this position is also called -1 position, -2 position, and -3 position. That is negative index. We can print that y of -1 because it is 0 and -1. That means from last the first element. 3 y of -2. Okay. So you can also starting minus slicing or negative index. Now, as we all know, the concept of linked list. So there are some basic, very basic operations and mathematical operations like y. Okay, let me clear some space. New file, or I'll just use this file only. Let x equal to 1, 2, comma, hi, comma, 3.3. Okay. We can also write, I make another list which is equal to x into 2. Let's see what happens. Y. So here you can see that the whole list is become 2 times. That is multiplied by 2 times. 1 in 1, 2, high 3.3, and then again 1, 2, high 3.3. Okay. Now I will show you how to do operations. That is in linked list, or forget about it. If we use to make if we have to insert a new element, that is I have to put 1, 2 and 3. So we can write append function. Append function is that in which you insert an item in the end. So x dot app end append 3 x. Here you can see 1, 2 and 3. Also wait a second. Okay. Also we can do this like x dot pop. Pop means it deletes the first element. Let's see. Pop means that it deletes the last element or the topmost element. Okay. We can also use let 3, 4 and x dot remove. Which element you have to remove? We have to remove 3. We print this function and we can see that 1, 2 and 4. 3 is removed. Also you can use x dot sort. For example, 2, 4, 1, 3. So we just have to sort it and print. There you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. It just sorted in ascending order. Okay. Again, in list there are some functions, inbuilt functions in Python. For example, let s equal to sum of x. Okay. So let is 1 comma 2 and let's print s. Okay. So what it print? It print the sum of list, that is 3. We all know that 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Also we can use max. Same wise, min, and many more. Okay, and this is for all list. In next video, we will study about dictionaries.